Okay, here's some video working on front suspension of a Syncro, and just some things that maybe someone's interested in. Okay, these are Fox shocks here, and you know, it's aluminum threads on there that can get real corroded. I had big trouble with that. If you see that right there, the adjuster here was completely stuck. Big problem. And so anyway, I got it loose and I put Anti-Seize on it right here. See this stuff on here, and hopefully that won't happen again. And then on the other shock, I'm using this heavy-duty corrosion inhibitor. It's this, you know, that sort of brownish yellow stuff, kind of like Cosmoline. Anyway, it's sprayed on there. You can't really see it, but it's there, and I'll probably put more on it. But that'll be on the other side. This will be on the driver's side. Okay, other thing of interest is, you see this shock bumper here. Normally it's up pretty high. It's kind of hard to compress all that down and then get the thing up into there. It's trouble. And so here what I did is I drilled a little hole right there, and I wired this down like that, and so it's got the shock compressed. And I put the spring on it. Like that. And then I think I can just get in there and clip that wire, and it will extend, right? But anyway, with it pulled down like this, if you can see how this goes in, it goes in there, and just look at that, you know, it's in. So anyway, I like this method, and I hope that helps. All right.